Okay, let's take a look at the components. First, the stand. I'm keeping that. I got this off of Amazon. I like it. Lots of different angles you can put the screen at. I have updated the charger to the latest Microsoft Surface Duo 2 charger. So that should work out. It goes into the power delivery port on the unit, and then we have also a Type-C and an HDMI 4K 60 Hertz, so kind of hard to find. An Ethernet port 1 gigabit. We have TF and SD memory, and we have 2 USB 3.0 ports. So it gives you lots of versatility, and of course the magnetic 20-pin adapter. Okay, so some of the challenges I tried to address from the first version was the connecting of the hub to the Surface Duo 2. The cable was length of it, where it came from, made it very difficult, and put a little bit of extra pull on the, and there are still challenges. The Ethernet cable. It comes into the front. It's kind of in the way. I would like to maybe consider putting a right angle RJ45 connector. So no, this hub did not alleviate all the issues, but I went with this one because it was the only USB 3.1 second gen hub I could find that had Ethernet, memory card, Type-C, power delivery, and met all the specifications so that we could get full use of the Surface Duo 2 that we're connecting to. So I'm after a docking station, not a charging stand. So as docking, all I have to do is hover it over the magnetic adapter, and that snaps up into place, and it's ready to go, and I'm charging. Now sometimes I do adjust the connection just to make sure that things are in alignment. So everything works. We have a docking station, but it's a functional prototype. There are some changes that I want to make. So what I'm considering is making a base housing that this will slide into, give me access to all the ports, and it'll give a little stability to the unit. I do not want to embed the connector. I want to allow the device to be able to easily move, as in adjusting the stand, so that you can gain all the angles. There are some things that I can do by putting the cable, routing it maybe up through here, but I need a removable cable for that to happen. So far, nothing meets the specifications with a removable cable. I have communicated with some people on Alibaba trying to find an adapter or docking station that meets all the specifications. So far, this is the only unit I've been able to find that meets those specifications, but there it is, version 2 of my prototype.